21st February, International Mother Tongue Day, is popularly known as Shohid Divas. This is the red letter day of our history because in 1952, on that day, many of our sons, Indian sons, laid down their life for our mother language. That's why UNESCO prepared us for 21st February. In every year we celebrate Mother Tongue Day for our mother language. 21st February, in that day, from all of our states, the people go to the Shohid Minar and give their respect and flowers garlands to the Shohid Minar. That's why we have to respect our mother language, and in every year we remember that for those sons who laid down their life for our mother language. For that reason, our little student Shubhangi Das now recite a poem for our mother language.